Ah, you think my operas have drama? Love triangles, mistaken identities, secret societies? Ha! Tonight, my friends, we visit a little Spanish firecracker of a story that makes Don Giovanni look like a nursery rhyme. Prepare yourselves for passion, jealousy, and, well, a torero. You know, just a regular Tuesday. Guten Tag, my dear enthusiasts. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart at your service. Yes, I know I'm usually composing concertos that make the angels weep, but today my curiosity has led me to a rather modern spectacle. We're delving into Georges Bizet's Carmen, shrugs playfully. He was quite good for a Frenchman who wasn't me. And this opera, oh, it's a whirlwind. Let's pluck some feathers from this dramatic bird, shall we? Our story kicks off in sunny Seville, outside a cigarette factory. Quite the bustling scene, full of soldiers and, well, factory girls. Among them is a rather unassuming corporal named Don José. A simple man, really. Loves his mom, adores his sweetheart Micaëla. Yawn, you know the type. Then, suddenly, the air, it changes. The women spill out, smoking, laughing, and among them, like a flame in a haystack, is Carmen. Oh, she's a force of nature, this one, and she has a little ditty to sing about love. A warning, perhaps, or an invitation. Ah, love is a rebellious bird. So simple, so catchy. Even I wish I'd thought of that. She throws a flower at Don José, a little floral declaration of war, if you ask me. And just like that, our simple soldier is hooked, like a fish on a very sharp, very beautiful lure. Now, Carmen is not one for a quiet afternoon. Soon after her little serenade, she gets into a tete-a-tete with another factory girl, and things get stabby. José is ordered to arrest her. Poor fellow, trying to be all official and proper. But before to proceed, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment below. And if you want to support the channel, you can even become a member of the channel. In description, you can find the link to buy the book on my Requiem and its mysterious completion. But Carmen, oh, she whispers sweet nothings. Well, mostly promises of dancing and passion. And before you can say, Figaro, Don José lets her escape, sacrificing his reputation, his military career, and probably his good night's sleep for a woman he'd just met. Honestly, men, so predictable. Our scene shifts to Lilas Pastia's tavern, a lively den of smugglers, gypsies, and general merrymaking. Carmen and her friends, Frasquita and Mercedes, are entertaining the crowd with a spirited gypsy song, full of jangling tambourines and high spirits. Even my own Turkish march can barely keep up. And then, boom! Enter the local celebrity, the dashing Toreador, Escamillo. Oh, he's got swagger, and a song to match, all about bulls and glory. But before to proceed, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment below. And if you want to support the channel, you can even become a member of the channel. In description, you can find the link to buy the book on my Requiem and its mysterious completion. Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats. Your toast? I can return it. Indeed, you can, my friend. He's quite the charmer, our bullfighter. Don José, meanwhile, is still languishing in the barracks, but Carmen has plans for him. She wants him to join her smuggling crew. Poor boy, caught between his military uniform and her fiery skirt. Now we're in the Smugglers' Mountain hideout. Life on the run isn't quite as romantic as José imagined. Carmen's growing bored. Oh, the fickle heart. She and her friends even try a bit of fortune-telling with cards. Frasquita and Mercedes see love and riches, but Carmen shivers dramatically. She sees death. Such a cheerful game. Meanwhile, who should appear but our sweet, innocent Micaëla, bravely looking for Don José. She has a beautiful, pure aria, a stark contrast to the wild gypsy life. Je dis que rien ne m'épouvante. Je dis, hélas, que je réponds, oh, bless her heart, so naive. Don José finds her, but then Escamillo shows up, challenging José for Carmen's affections. Another near brawl. This opera is a workout. The grand finale. We're outside the bullring in Seville, a magnificent spectacle. The crowd is electric, cheering for Escamillo, who's about to enter the ring. Carmen is there, looking absolutely radiant, arm in arm with her new bullfighter, Beau. But who lurks in the shadows, desperate and disheveled? Don José, of course. He confronts Carmen, begging her to return to him, to leave Escamillo. He pleads, he threatens. She, however, is Carmen. Free as that rebellious bird, she throws the ring he gave her to the ground. She refuses to yield. She values her freedom above all else. And as the cheers for Escamillo ring out from the bullring, Don José, well, he does what desperate, lovesick men in opera often do. He kills her, tragically, definitively, and then he confesses. A grand ending, indeed. But before to leave, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment below. And if you want to support the channel, you can even become a member of the channel. In description, you can find the link to buy the book on my Requiem and its mysterious completion. Ooh, a fiery tale, indeed. Even for me, the master of emotional depth, Bizet certainly knew how to turn up the heat. So what did you think? Did Carmen's spirit captivate you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed my little tour, do hit that like button and subscribe for more maestro musings. Perhaps next time we'll talk about my magic flute. It's far less bloody. Toodaloo!